Hello, I'm Carol Marock. I focus on helping independent adults stay in control of their lives before crises forces decisions. Today, I want to share something meaningful, not just for me, but for senior centers, retirement communities, and organizations serving adults who are aging without nearby family support. My Solo and Smart Longevity Workshop has been recognized by the National Council on Aging as a program of excellence. And this recognition came through the leadership of the Whitney Senior Center, where the wellness coordinators submitted the program for consideration. In her words, the initiative has proven in reducing social isolation among solo agers and encouraging proactive approaches to aging. And that statement really captures the core issue many communities are facing. Across the country, more adults are living independently without spouses, without children nearby, and without an obvious safety net. But they are capable, they are engaged, they are independent, but they are often unprepared for how quickly independence can become vulnerable without a plan. And this workshop is not a one-time series, or excuse me, a one-time lecture. It's a structured framework that helps adults. And so it helps them assess risks across the 6 life domains, helps them identify gaps in support, and to build proactive plans before crises, and to strengthen social connections right where they are in their local communities, and then create continuity in health, housing, finances, and legal planning. And importantly, it is designed to be practical and replicable. The national recognition from NCOA signals that this model is impact-driven, it's relevant to today's aging communities or aging demographics, and it's adaptable within community-based settings. And if you are a senior center director, a wellness coordinator, a community engagement leader, or part of a retirement system, or even an independent living community, here's what I know. You are being asked to address social isolation. You're asked to improve engagement. You're being asked to offer preventive programming, but you're also facing staffing shortages, budget constraints, and capacity limits. And the question is not whether this population needs support. The question is how to deliver it consistently and sustainably. My work is evolving beyond a speaker model. It is becoming a scalable framework that communities can implement through workshops, structured series, and licensing partnerships. So if your organization is seeing a rise in residents or members who are aging independently without nearby family support, I would welcome a conversation. And that way we could discuss how proactive aging frameworks can reduce isolation, how structured planning improves resident and patron confidence, how your staff can deliver consistent programming, how we can adapt this model for your community. You can find my contact information in the description of this video below, or in the email that I'm sending you today. So I believe that 2026 is the year we move from awareness to building a resilient infrastructure. And I would be honored to partner with forward-thinking communities ready to lead in this endeavor. So if you're an independent adult watching this, know that you are not alone and planning is power. If you're a community leader, let's build something that lasts. Thank you for watching, and thank you to the National Council on Aging and the Whitney Senior Center for recognizing this important work.